Come here, my little one. I have a beautiful story for you.
Yay! I love stories, Mommy.
This is a story about our beloved Prophet Muhammad. He taught us to be kind to everyone, even animals. One day, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, saw a little animal. It was very thirsty, and it needed water.
Oh no! The kitten is thirsty.
The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, felt kindness in his heart. He gave the animal clean water to drink. Always be kind, my child.